Want to create viral, mysterious, faceless videos like Bigfoot using free AI tool? Well, first, look at this example.
Welcome back to the show. Well, finally, guys, we have our ingredients to make pizza today.
Jungle rule #17. Use hot rocks and hope for the best.
No delivery out here, no plan, only vibes.
This type of video are taking over the YouTube. Look at this channel that grew from 10,000 subscribers in just a few days. Here are other channels too. That tells you one thing. There's massive demand. In this video, I'm breaking down exactly how to replicate Bigfoot's style, step by step, and build your own automated YouTube channel without ever showing your face. Stay till the end, and I'll show you how to make this freely so that you can make this a passive income machine. These videos are getting hundreds of views. But what's the secret? It's not magic. It's smart storytelling plus the right AI tools. Let me show you how you can do it, even if you're a total beginner.
First, you have to come to this website. I will give you the link in the description. As you can see, I have given simple prompt.
Welcome back to Bigfoot Kitchen in the Wild. And today,
From this simple prompt, you can generate this type of videos. Now let me introduce to another website. Here also, if you give a simple prompt, you get this type of results.
Welcome back to the show. Well, finally, guys, we have our ingredients to make pizza today.
Here are some examples that you can generate from this.
and it changed my life.
Hi, I'm here to talk about the importance of global education and how understanding different cultures can broaden our perspective.
Now if you want to know how you can use it for free, make sure you check this video.